Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a pregnancy test. A pregnancy test is used to determine whether a female is pregnant or not. The two primary methods are testing for the female pregnancy hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin. This is the HCG, in blood or urine, using a pregnancy test kit. And of course, you can scan it with ultrasonography. But this is not a good thing at home, of course. We tested the blood for the HCG result in the earliest detection of pregnancy. This is a doctor's thing. Almost all pregnant women will have a positive urine pregnancy test 1 week after the first day of her missed menstrual period. So, in this case, we can perform this at home with a human chorionic gonadotropin HCG test. Identified in the early 20th century, human chorionic gonadotropin is a glycoprotein hormone that rises quickly in the first few weeks of the pregnancy, typically reach a peak at 8 up to 10 weeks gestational age. The thing means we can make in good accuracy with that. A systematic review published in 1998 showed that the home pregnancy test kits, when used by experienced technicians, are almost as accurate as a professional laboratory testing when used by consumers. However, the accuracy fell to 75%. The review author noted that many users misunderstood or failed to follow the instruction included the kit, of course. But it's really easy, of course. We make an urine test. Can be felt positive in those that are taking the medications for chlorpromazine, promethazine, phenethylamine, or methadone, aspirin, or carbamazepine, and drugs that cause a high urinary pH. And of course, we can easy peasy make this test at home, of course. It's easy. Let's perform this now at home. We can make this test. The detection is easy. We have it easy. We identify our level of this by using our, in the best choice, of course, morning urine, of course. Okay? We are going to test it. We wake up in the morning, for example, and after this, we can make an easy peasy start. We can perform this now. We collect urine in a small container and dip the test strip into the urine for 20 seconds. Or while we pee, we can use the test and enter the urine into the test stripe. It costs you only 20 seconds. Because this is the best way to make this at the morning. To improve accuracy of the result, it is the best to test our urine when we first get out of the bed. Most test strips indicates them the presence of the HCG by appearance of a colored line or sometimes a dot. And there are two areas. One means pregnant and the other means not pregnant. Because in most of the time there are two red lines. Okay? If there is one red line after, I think, 20 seconds up to 10 minutes, if there's only one line, you're not pregnant. But if there are two lines, you can see two lines, then that means you're pregnant. In this case or in the other, you should continue and the next day, for example, this test. Repeat the test with another test kit. And if both are positive or both are negative, this is your status of pregnancy. If you're pregnant, go to the doctor. If you're not pregnant, continue your life as before, of course. So you can easily use and have a quick result with a pregnancy home kit. The results are rapid in this case, and the results are good for you or not good for you, of course. This is up to you. But so you can perform it, easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.